Hello friends! In this lesson, we will learn how to add data to a file. Let's say we have already a file called text.txt and I have a text here, John and Boss. It contains some text. So when I use FileWriter and call write, I come here, yes, call write method, Java doesn't care if there is already content. When I use this code, it deletes the old content and writes from the beginning. Let's test it. For example, I delete this text and then I have already this content. If I run my code, you see I remove all content and I write John from the beginning. If you want to add something without deleting existing content, then I must prevent the file from being recreated from the start. So to do that, I give a second parameter to FileWriter. Let's do that. I come here, so I put my comma. So after I say append. So after I say, I just give true. So this parameter takes for appending. So this means append the new data. I give true for append parameter. I just give true. Be careful. So true enables appending to the file. So I save it. When I run my program, let's check before running. I have just John. When I run my program, so you see I added one more John. So I keep the existing data. I keep the old content and add new line at the end. If here we don't write a second parameter, Java will recreate the file, erasing everything. But if we pass true, the writer preserves the existing content and adds new content at the end. I hope you understand it.